Natural ways to prevent glaucoma. Glaucoma is an ocular disease characterized by an elevation in eye pressure. This increased pressure reduces the fibers in the optic nerve and changes its appearance. Majority of patients don't show symptoms in the first phases of the disease. But, with the passage of time, they will experience things like progressive vision loss. This article will explain how to prevent glaucoma naturally. What to know about glaucoma. The number of people who suffer from this disease is very high, around 2 of the population over 40 years old, and it is one of the causes of irreversible vision loss. There are 2 types of glaucoma. Angle closure glaucoma. This type diminishes the angle formed by the cornea in the base of the iris. It also quickly raises the intraocular pressure. The symptoms of this kind of glaucoma are dilated pupils, red eyes, seeing halos and intense pain. Open-angle glaucoma. The progression of this type of glaucoma is slow and affects vision little by little. This is the more common type of the disease and the symptoms are not as evident. Glaucoma can be congenital, appears between birth and 3 years of age, juvenile, hereditary in origin and appears after 3 years of age, or adult, appears after 40 years of age. Moreover, it can cause other diseases, such as cataracts, vitreous hemorrhages, and other traumas. The disease may also require operations. To diagnose glaucoma, doctors use many techniques and tests. The objective is to determine the intraocular pressure and to see if the head of the optic nerve shows signs of excavation or not. Heidelberg retinotomograph, HRT. Pachymetry measures the thickness of the cornea. High-resolution sonogram studies the structure of the eye. Gonioscopy measures the angle between the iris and the cornea. Slit lamp and biomicroscope magnifies the view of the optic nerve head. Applanation tonometry measures the fluid pressure in the eye. Visual field test tests peripheral vision. The groups of people at risk of suffering from glaucoma are those of African or Asian descent, those over 60 years old, patients with chronic illnesses, above all diabetes, hypothyroidism, or hypertension, those with a family history of glaucoma, those with ocular lesions or myopia, those who take corticosteroids. How can you naturally prevent glaucoma? It is important to live a healthy lifestyle, and consulting an optometrist once a year can be good. This makes it possible to prevent or diagnose the sickness, but this is not enough. Take this advice into account. Lower your levels of insulin. This recommendation is not only directed at diabetics. Everyone should avoid consuming excessive amounts of sugars and other foods that raise your blood sugar level, and consequently your insulin level. To prevent the onset of glaucoma, it would be good to reduce the following foods to a minimum: pasta, breads, white rice, refined cereals, sweets, potatoes. Exercise regularly. Related to the previous advice, one of the best ways to reduce insulin and high blood pressure is to exercise. Doing any kind of physical activity 2 or 3 times a week is vital to maintaining good eye health and avoiding glaucoma. You can choose any activity you want, but it needs to be regular. Eat lutein. This nutrient is a vision strengthener. It acts as an antioxidant and protects the cells from harm caused by free radicals. Another one of compounds that is worth eating is zeaxanthin, which has similar properties. We find these contained in kale, spinach, broccoli, egg yolks, Brussels sprouts. Avoid fats. Fats are present in much of the fast food we eat right now. One of the many problems with trans fats is that they interfere with the absorption of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are healthy and important for ocular health. Eating too many fats contributes to macular degeneration. The foods that we should avoid are butter, French fries, pastries, hamburgers, processed products. Eat berries. Red fruits, like blueberries and cranberries, are excellent natural remedies to take care of your vision. They can also prevent diseases like glaucoma or cataracts. This is due to the flavonoids they contain, and which also gives them the red color. The flavonoids strengthen capillaries, muscles, and the optic nerves. That being said, we need to take into account that berries also have sugar and can raise our levels of insulin. Because of that, we recommend eating them in moderation, or no more than a handful a day. Other interesting and useful advice that can help you to prevent or slow down the onset of glaucoma. Avoid activities that require a great strain on your eyes. Always use sunglasses, even during winter and cloudy days. Don't drink alcohol in excess. Don't smoke. Keep your caffeine intake to a minimum. Eat a diet rich in vitamins A and C. Sleep well every night. It is also important to take care of your eyes. Avoid sitting in front of computer screens all day. Every hour, take a few minutes to rest or use graduated glasses prescribed by a professional. This way, Your vision will be less tired and will have less possibility of having ocular pressure increase.